Google just dropped Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's the most powerful free AI model yet. It's completely free to use right now on Google AI Studio. Most tutorials just scratch the surface. But this? You'll learn exactly how to control its AI like a pro, with the secret settings most people miss. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is Google AI Studio? It's Google's free playground where you can test prompts instantly, build chatbots without code, and export to apps with one click. Okay, this is your AI playground. Everything you need is in 3 key areas. Left menu, your tools. Main workspace, where the magic happens. And settings panel, your control center. Start here for any task. Write a prompt, hit run, and Gemini responds instantly. Talk to Gemini here, perfect for debugging code or brainstorming live.
Certainly. The feature that you're asking about is called Stream Real-Time, and it's part of Google AI Studio. It allows you to interact with a language model in real time. You can provide it with a prompt using your voice and receive a response back in real time. Is there anything else I can help you with?
In Prompt Gallery, you can grab ready-made prompts for coding, content, even math puzzles. All your past work is saved here. Reuse or tweak old prompts easily. Alright, let's talk about temperature. This controls how random Gemini's answers feel. Here's the key. Gemini chooses every word based on probability, always asking, what makes sense next? Low temp only picks the top probability words. High temp considers lower probability words. Now let's talk about top P. This is Gemini's word filter. While temperature controls randomness, top P decides how picky Gemini is with word choices. Here's how it works. Imagine Gemini has a ranked list of possible next words. Top P cuts off the bottom of this list. Low top P only uses the safest, most obvious words. High top P allows more interesting, less common words. System instruction. This is Gemini's secret rulebook. Before answering, Gemini reads this hidden prompt. It's like whispering instructions before the main question. These are Gemini's superpowers. Code execution. With this on, Gemini can actually run and test its own code before answering. Structured output. This forces responses into perfect formats like JSON and no more messy data. Let's look at the best settings for different tasks. You can adjust these settings to get the results you want. For stories or social media posts that grab attention, set temperature between 0.8 and 1 for maximum creativity, and top P at 0.9 or higher for vivid language. Type, "You are a creative writer. Write vivid and engaging stories," in the system instructions. Notice how different settings create completely different results. High temp and top P give creative, vivid responses, while low temp and top P deliver precise, factual answers. When precision matters, like coding or logic puzzles, keep temperature low, between 0.2 and 0.5. Set top P around 0.3 to 0.7 for focused responses. And don't forget to turn on code execution for error-free results. Both code solutions work, but notice the difference. The version using low temperature and low top P produces cleaner, more professional code. For friendly yet professional chatbot responses, temperature around 0.4 to 0.6 keeps it warm but coherent. Top P between 0.5 and 0.8 maintains natural conversation flow. When you need accurate information, temperature at 0.5 keeps responses balanced, and top P around 0.7 ensures clarity without losing focus. And that's it. You're now a Gemini Pro. Thanks for watching. Love you all. See you in the next one.